Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening your browser and navigating straight to Google Maps. This puts Street View a click away. Once there, sign in so your saved places sync across devices and make sure the browser is updated to avoid plugin issues. Enable location and pop-ups for the site. These let Street View center nearby streets and open panoramas seamlessly. Now click and hold the yellow pegman in the corner and drag it onto a blue highlighted street to enter Street View immediately. Once inside Street View, use your mouse to drag and look around and the scroll wheel to zoom into details. This gives precise control over what you inspect. Click the white arrows on the street to move forward or backward, and try Shift+Click to jump longer distances quickly when scanning long routes. Make sure to toggle between the 2D map and the 3D tilted view for context so you know where you are. This helps plan the next moves and locate exact addresses. To finish, use the three-dot menu to save the location to a list, report imagery problems, or view image metadata. These options let you keep what matters. When you're done exploring, press Escape or click the map thumbnail to exit Street View and return to the regular map interface. If panoramas won't load, clear the browser cache and cookies, or open an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. Doing this pinpoints whether the problem is local or network-based.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.